Isang tagumpay nga mga idol ang binahagi ng ating kababayan na si Will John Mendoro. Mga taon ding initay ng ating kababayan na mapalaban sa bansa ng Amerika. Kaninang umaga lang mga idol ay natupad na ang hinihiling ni Will John. Napalaban nga ito at nagpakitang gilas. Panalo nga ang ating kababayan at hindi na pinatagal ito dahil sa round 2 pa lang mga idol ay tinapos na nito kontra sa isang British fighter. Ay kartadang 13 wins, 5 losses and 4 by knockout. Samantalang ang ating kababayan mga idol ay mayroong undefeated na record na may 11 wins, 1 draw and 11 by knockout. Bago tayo magpatuloy mga idol ay pahingi naman ako ng like sa'yo at kung magustuhan mo rin mga idol ay pakishare mo na rin sa lamat
Make his
po.
comeback at 33. His license. That's why he had to take time off and go into bare knuckle poly sport. You know very, very well, but the toughness he learned that's what's carrying me tonight.
Yeah, he did. He had some success in bare knuckle. Successful over there, and did very well. Had some good wins. Became a real fan favorite over in
My license, which is how everybody, by the way, cuts weight in the United States. Yeah, I guess.
so. And then you wonder why guys lie when they say the way they make weight. It's a lot.
The easiest cut I've ever had in my life.
You talk about Mendoro and his team, lightning hit the Manny Pacquiao. Well, he's 5 punches.
Oh, Mendoro, a lot stockier. You can see trying to make Mendoro uncomfortable. A guy with that many knockouts, you don't walk him down. So I can see how good John is trying to maybe get in his head, but be better off cutting off the ring on Mendoro.
Dr. Dilcher, he hasn't fought a lot of great guys. Hasn't been there in deep water. That's where it's bringing it right now. Mendoro dealing off those big shots.
Mendoro's better. You see the slickness of the head movement. Mendoro's having trouble getting to him. Good John getting hurt to the body now. Getting some big. Oh, man. Nice up.
Good John's got to shoot hard. You got to throw in between all those hard, big shots.
Nice little start of their body shots.
He was returned to boxing to put on those gloves, man.
For a very long time. Look at 2012, 2011. A solid pro for Oh, good shot.
Nice up. Okay, not bad. Hey, don't start hurting more. Hand up as a puncher. What's it? Come on, keep going to the box. Allowing him to get a breathing space in between the hard punches he's throwing.
Got up Perez. Opponent has appeared 9 times in victory. He's won by decision.
He's playing some shots Mendoro now. It's like, I got a crazy guy in front of me.
Also, he's backing the puncher up. A lot of punchers don't punch the same way when they're on their Oh, good uppercut there from Mendoro.
Both uppercuts from both these guys are very, very sharp.
You gotta understand, he's got all these knockout wins. He might be the kind of guy who also has been used to hitting guys like this and they go away. And instead, Good John not only has face, there's a psychological ploy here that you're gonna have to deal with them. Let's see if Mendoro's able to deal with Good John, who now is growing into confidence.
Greatest quotes I ever heard about boxing: when you attempt to intimidate, he becomes intimidated.
Good John is doing a great job putting tons of pressure, both mental and slick upper body move from Good John, man. He's keeping that.
That's it's a good idea for Mendoro to go back to that body the way he just did. He won. Ken kind of got away from it. Now, a few seconds to it, I think that's probably the best plan of chance of attack from Mendoro.
You guys talk about it all the time.
Oh,
Mendoro! Down goes Good John. Popping up a little bit.
Good John has 8 count. He should have taken his time a little bit. Let's see if they're close.
You okay, my friend? You okay? Such thing as being too tough for your own good. Good John getting into a firefight. On a round number 2.
Here, let's see.
I was gonna say going punch for punch with a puncher like clean shots for every 3
They
seconds.
have to hold here. Let's see if he holds.
Good shots too.
The holding side.
Punch in between. Came off the heart of Good John.
Fire and it's over. You said it.
Thought maybe Good John with the experience he has might have thought to hold, but again, he
Sa lakas ng suntok ng ating kababayan mga idol na si Will John Mendoro ay umangat nga ang paa nitong British fighter. Dahil sa panalo ng ating kababayan mga idol ay nananatili pa rin itong walang talo. At mayroong 100% rate pa rin ito. Maraming mga boxing fanatics mga idol ang masaya ngayon dahil sa pagkapanalo ng ating kababayan at marami mga idol ang umaabang dito. Mga idol, maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless. Ingat.